Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm gonna call myself the gloved pianist from now on, at least during these videos, and I'm back to show you how to play Gimme Love by Joji. This song is really easy. I'm gonna start with the left hand because there's only two chord progressions you really need to learn, and then the right hand does a bunch of the melody and arpeggiation that comes in during the song. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this song is in F major, and with that our first chord is an F major chord, and we're going to play that with our left hand, and that's going to be an A, C, and F. And the next chord we're going to go to is an A minor, so we're going to take this high F and bring it down one. And then from the A minor we're going to go to G minor, so everything moves down one. G, B flat, D. And then from here we're going to go to D minor, so we keep this D here. We're going to get the F in there, and we're going to bring this G to the A. And then to C major, which is just one more step down for all the notes. So from this F to the E, D to the C, and then A to the E. And that chord progression is about 50% of the song, so just really take your time to learn this. So you'll notice that the chords hold for about 8 beats, so 2 measures, except for the D minor. That's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the F. Okay, so for the right hand melody, there's 3 sections you're going to have to learn with this specific chord progression. And so we're going to start with the first section, which is the intro. And I'll just play both at the same time so you can see what it goes like. So it starts on the A. So the F major, we have an A. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the intro. Now onto the second melody section that you're going to learn for the right hand, which is technically the chorus, and it sounds like this. So really all you're learning is this pattern. That's the A, D, F, A, D, D, F, and then the D, G, D, A, G, sorry. D, A, G, and then the interim that plays between is like the C, B flat, A, D, F, A. And then we head on to the verse, the single verse that happens in this song. So for the melody on this part, I'm not really precise on this part, but based on from what I can hear, it sounds something like this. Back to the chorus. But essentially the whole melody is just the F, G here. Yeah, I mean, if you really need to learn it or having trouble digesting it, I would recommend just listening to the song and playing these 2 notes alternating. You'll hear it, and if you need to just follow along, feel free to repeat any section that gives you trouble. But now we're going to go on to the second half of the song, and a new chord progression finally emerges. Okay, so let's learn with the left hand first, because the chord progression doesn't change for the second part. Once again, it's just one chord progression all the way through. And so it's very similar to the first one. We start on F major. I like to play it on every measure or every beat. And then A minor, 2, 3. And then G minor still. So here's the real difference. is this B flat minor chord, which is B, D flat, F, or B flat, sorry, B flat, D flat, F. And then this resolves very nicely to the F major because you just bring these two black keys down. And that's it. A minor. The G minor we all know. And then we hit this blues chord, the B flat minor, which is just which is actually in the key of F major. This is not diatonic. This would normally be a B flat major, but we bring this third key down, and now it's a B flat minor, and it gives it that bluesy sound. And it's that, you know, 4 dominant blues, and then back to the resolve to the F. Just for anyone who's interested in the music theory behind that. But there you go. That's the chord progression you're going to need to play. You can play it in the same rhythm as before, where you hold it for the 4 counts and then play again for another 4 counts. But personally, I find that playing it for every beat is a lot nicer. So I play just, you know, 4 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But there you go. Now you're pretty close to finishing this song. Let's just get to the melody. Okay, so if you're familiar with the song, you know that the second half has the guitar arpeggio with the chords playing. And I'm going to teach you that first because that underscores the whole second half of the song. And so if you really don't want to learn the melody part, or if you're just playing accompaniment while someone else sings or something, this is all you really need to know. So I'll start with that. So all the arpeggio does is follows along the left hand. So we'll go slowly. So we have an F major here, right? I changed the guitar to match the sound better. So with that same F major, we're going to start with the A here, and it's going to play on every beat. On those. And then the A minor. The top A never moves, so just follow along. Still arpeggiating the chords, but here's where it gets different. We're going to instead bring this A to the B flat, where the B flat minor plays, and then we're going to play these 2 notes, the B or the D flat and the F right here. And then we're going to slowly climb. And then this repeats. So you just play that over and over, and that's pretty much the second half of the song. You can just stop the lesson here, but if you want to learn the vocal melody run that happens in the second half of the song, stick around. I'm gonna go into that right now. Okay, so for the melody part of the latter half of the song, there is 4 sections, and we already went over the chords, so let's just break down the 4 melody runs you're gonna learn. And they all just play once, so you just have to do this once, and then you just play that arpeggio all the way until the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So the melody starts with the guitar arpeggio, and you just do that for about 2 beats. So, and then once you hit this C, you're gonna go. So let's just do that slowly. So. A minor, and then we're gonna go to, once you hit the A minor twice, it's so let me just play that again slowly so you can follow along. I'll have it written up here as well, but yeah. Let's go. That's the first section. So from here, the second section starts on that top C. So hit that C. On the fourth beat, do that little climb. Same climb, but from the A minor. That same rhythm on the fourth beat. Double tap on the F. Same climb, but then to a B flat. And then C, D flat, E flat. So in the third section, we come from this B flat minor climb. And instead of resolving to the F, we're gonna actually go to this A and hit it a few times. And you'll follow along, so just play along. Here we go. Real slow. Same climb, just an octave higher. So once again, the third section, it's this A, C, and then a climb to the C, then end on the B flat, but then we end up back on the A. Then just end on the F right here, and then we go F, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F. And if you need, just feel free to rewind. I know I keep mentioning that, but I just find that's the best way. Just keep watching, keep practicing, and you'll get it down. So, finally we're here. The fourth section, the last melody run you're gonna have to learn, and then you fully know this song. So here we go. So we're at the B flat minor, we're at the climb on the second octave higher. And this time we resolve to the F. And we're gonna hold here till the fourth. E. Same run, but we're gonna land on the D. Just following the top of the chord on the left. Same run, but then we're gonna hit the same melody run that we've been doing this whole time. And you can just end on the arpeggio. Okay, the melody run actually just ends on the arpeggio for like, I don't know, the last 8 measures of the song, something like that. If you listen along, you'll notice what I'm talking about, but it just goes closer something to like this. And you just play this part. This is pretty much the outro. So thank you guys for watching. That's all you really need to know. So if this video was helpful, leave a like. I always love doing these piano tutorials because I love talking about the music, playing the music, and being able to share that with people is the best. So if you guys were able to learn the song, great, and I hope this was useful to anyone who was out there. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Man, y'all just don't know about this life I'm living right now, man. I'm just f***ing loving life, bro. You just gotta love that life, bro.